Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Yamaha R6 Supersport with ABS brakes. This one owner, gorgeous Black Raven R6 just arrived with only 12,900 miles. Brand new Pirelli tires, smoke windscreen, frame sliders, fender eliminator, and wait till you hear that Akrapovic exhaust. This is the one you've been looking for. It's also got a quad lock phone mount. Come on by and make your R6 dreams come true for $12,999. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.